Okay, it's almost spring, as evidenced in Colorado sometimes by this snow all over the place. It's like a day before spring, or close. It's 2:54. I have prepared a space, which we can all attest sometimes takes longer than anything. But you might remember this video from disassembling the tractors for the winter. And the only reason you disassemble something to store it is so that you can assemble it again. And we're gonna find out how long that takes. I'm gonna video this in real time and see how long it takes. I'll speed up some of the pieces. I imagine it's gonna take more than 10 minutes, but I will video it and see how long it takes to get the pieces out from storage, set it up, assemble it, and be ready to use it. That's the test. We want to find out how long it takes. Okay, the pieces are inside, ready to assemble. You might remember that we added this little baggie for the screws, for the hardware. All right, let's see how long it takes to actually put them together. Remember, there are 2 of these, and we labeled them. Like we said in the last video, in the disassembly video, we said, hey, there's a tip, label them so that you know where the pieces go back together. Hopefully that'll be a big benefit when we reassemble these. Okay, we're all done. See? Pull the tractor, all the chickens sit on the edges of the tractor, far enough away from any predators that might get them, and we're done. Okay, I know. Keep going. All right, there we go. Number 1 is done. And that included even a little bit of drill holes to go through the siding that we realized we put over the screws last time. A little modification, and you saw me spend an extra probably 3 minutes just turning that top around after I realized it was on the wrong way. But that's done. Let me check the time real quick. So it's 3:24 now. I think we started at 2:54. So 30 minutes, start to finish. Put together the tractor that included moving all the parts. I'll put together number 2, and I think this will be done pretty fast. On to number 2. And there we are. Build number 2 is done. I ended up with a few shorter screws. But I replaced them with longer screws. I just don't know where these shorter ones were used. But that's pretty simple. I like that. I like that we can reassemble something, 2 chicken tractors in less than an hour, probably 30, 40 minutes maybe, if 2 people were doing it. But I'm pleased. I'm pleased with how this has gone from the beginning, from the original build to the disassembly to the reassembly. Now we have both of our chicken tractors ready to go for the spring. Our broilers, our broilers that we're raising are almost ready to go outside, and so it was time to get these built. I hope you're encouraged by seeing something that was assembled, disassembled, without a lot of storage space, and reassembled. You can do it too. Have fun.